everyone, and welcome to Code with Zuckerberg. In this tutorial I will teach you how to install Python on Windows 10 computer. For this we have to install Python interpreter. Now open your web browser and type Python. Click on the first link. Hover your mouse over to download. Under Windows, click on Python's latest version. Here version 3.9.4 is the latest version. Wait till the download completes. Open the installer. Click on Open button. Make sure Install Launcher for all users and Add Python to Path, both are selected. Click on Install Now button. Wait for the installation to complete. Click on Close button. To check whether, if Python is installed successfully, in search bar type CMD. Type Python, and press Enter. Here you can check that the version of Python that we installed is 3.9.4. Here you can execute Python commands. Type print, parenthesis, double quotes, and hello world inside the double quotes. And press Enter key to execute that line. You can see that hello world get printed on the console. This means you have installed Python successfully and written your first Python program.